Hi, my name is Corinna and I was this year's Gardiner Youth Scholar at the Southold Historical Museum. I gave many tours this year at the Maple Lane campus, where I specialized in sharing my knowledge of Southold's historical buildings with visitors. I also helped host educational tours with students. I created posters and information for the museum, including prepare our brochure for our golf outing fundraiser, and also assisting in Spanish translations for our posters and events. I helped at the Prince building with storage and inventory, organizing materials, and other supplies. My favorite thing that I was able to do this year was to learn and discover all these hidden gems that we offer here at the museum. It was amazing to learn many personal stories of Southold's history and also being able to teach others of our history as well. I hope you visit us at the Prince Building, the Maple Lane campus, in the Horton Lighthouse. Thank you once again to the Robert David Lyon Gardner Foundation and the Southold Historical Museum for this truly amazing experience. Thank you.